Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Grant, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to create walls in Revit the right way. Before we dive into the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on interesting videos like this. So before further ado, let's dive into Revit. Okay, now for us to create our wall in Revit, what we need to do is to come under the architecture tab, click on the wall icon. We can select any type of wall we want because Revit automatically gives us some default walls. But in this tutorial video, we would like to create our own wall. So we click on the edit. We duplicate this wall. Let's name it 225 white wall. Okay. We also edit the thickness because since it's a 225 wall, we also want the thickness to be 225. Now we can also give this wall a material. Since it's a white wall, we'll be creating a special material for it. Create new material and rename the material to 225 white wall. Enter. We can now work on the graphics of the wall. We can choose a color for it, white. Okay. We can also work on the cut pattern and the surface pattern. Now on the cut pattern, we are going to be selecting, let's say, diagonal down. Okay. We change this to black. Okay, then we click on OK. Now we have created a 225 white wall. Now if you click on wall, it automatically selects the 225 white wall which you've created for you. You can now draw the wall however you want it to be done. Now if you look, you will see the pattern which we gave the wall when we were creating the material. You can see it automatically comes with that pattern. If we also come to the 3D, we can see the wall, the color of the wall is white. So that is how you create walls in Revit. We can also create more walls depending on the projects we are working on. If we are required to have more than 225 wall, we can also create more walls. Let's create another wall. We'll click on this same wall under architecture. We edit this same 225 wall, we duplicate it. We name this 150 wall because you can also have 150 wall in your designs. We name this 150 let's say brick wall this time. Let's say brick wall. Now click on OK. Now we edit it. Since it's a 150 wall, we change this thickness to 150. And since it's a brick wall, we need to create another different material for it. Now we come here, create new material. We rename the material to 150 brick wall. Okay. Now the appearance. Since it's a brick wall, we want it to be brown in color. Now the surface pattern. We give the surface pattern a brick finish. Click on OK. Make it black. Okay. Then the cut pattern we still make the cut pattern diagonal down because it's still the same hatching. We make this black. Okay. Now we have created our brick wall, the material for the brick wall. We click on OK. 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 Now we can now draw our brick wall. Now you can see the wall is tinier because it's a 150 wall. Now if you come to the 3D, you can see the wall. If you zoom in, you can see the bricks graphics. The graphics we gave the wall to be a brick wall, you can see it here. And if you change this to shaded view, you can now see the color of the brick, which is brown, and the color of the actual white walls, which are white. So you can do this for as much walls as you want to create. You can create for 225 brick wall, 225 dark wall, 225 white wall. You can do the same for 150 walls. You can also do the same for 75 walls, depending on the type of walls you want to create. And for each wall you are creating, never forget to change the material, duplicate it, so that it doesn't affect other walls which you have already created in your design. If this video was any way helpful to you, please kindly subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on important videos like this. See you guys in our next video.